Good day, my name is Juan Esteban Muñoz Villota. This is my document ID. I'm for English 4, my number group is 21. I will explain from my point of view and in a context with my region the positive and negative effects of the technology and the environment. I believe that the global warming has been caused by the lack of the human conscious with its impact on the planet. Environmental damage has been growing day by day, with very few controls and sanctions, as economic interests prevail. I was born and grew in Segundo y Putumayo, a little town mainly of farmers. The technology here has been slowly developing. Long ago, the indigenous people who lived here used the technology for their traditional crops. For example, the lunar calendar to know the planting and harvesting seasons. They cultivated in small plots of land called chagras, characterized by being small crops of various types of products. They have basic tools for the work. They use the barter in an exchange of products without money. Traditional knowledge was passed on from generation to generation. Therefore, technology facilitated human life and process, and the environmental impact it had on the territory was very low, as the planet was respected and valued. In our times, thanks to the global trends, the economy is more important than the planet. Monocultures of products such as beans and corn prevail in my town, which to ensure the growth of the product throughout the year must apply many chemicals to these crops that seriously affect the soil and could also affect the health of those who grow and consume them. In addition to indiscriminate felling of trees for large-scale agriculture, ending the diversity of endemic plant and animal species. Agriculture uses vast amounts of water, and water sources are also polluted, because all wastes, especially minerals such as lead and mercury, end up in the rivers. Therefore, thanks to the technological development of agriculture, it is possible to guarantee profitable food production, but very harmful to the environment. Environmental damage can be mitigated by implementing ecological agriculture programs that protect natural resources, do not use chemicals or synthetics as fertilizers or to combat pests. Therefore, we will harvest organic products that are very healthy and also take care of the land and protect the environment. I consider that we need to change our mentality to reduce the impact of the global warming. We need to take up all practice. For example, to have home gardens. We meet part of the demand of our home. We need to put natural resources to good use. We need to reduce the use of single-use plastics. We need to separate waste and recycle. It's up to you to save the planet. Time is running out. Thank you.